Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we're going to introduce Google Stitch AI tutorial. First, you want to go and open your browser and search for Google Stitch AI. Then it will open with you this interface. After you select the first option you will get this interface. Now here, as you can see, you have two options, the web and the app. If you want to design a web UI, you can choose web. If you want to design a user interface for an app, you just have to choose the app. Here you can attach a screenshot, sketch, or visual inspiration. You can attach some folders and files through clicking on this plus sign. From this side, you can choose the module. Here you have multiple models. I'm going to leave it on the default one. And here down below, you have some examples if you want to test the AI. And you should know that the better prompt you type, the better results you get. So it's always better to type the details that you need inside your prompt, including the style of the app or the web design, the type of the font, the colors that you are going to be using inside your application or inside your website, the number of pages or the elements that you want inside your project. So all these things must be included in your prompt in order to get better results and in order to make the AI exactly identify and understand what you actually need for your work. Now here, as you can see, I have typed this prompt. Now I'm going to click on generate, and of course it will take some time in order to generate you the app that you want or the website that you want. So just click on generate. It will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's taking its time to generate the different pages of my project or my application. Here's the logo, and here are the color palettes and how will it be displayed. And here, as you can see, it's making the entire layout of the application. And the good thing is that even after finishing the application, you can modify each page separately. And as I mentioned before, the better prompt you type, the better results you get. And now it finished. So now let's say that you want to make a modification on this page right here. You just have to click on Control plus the scroll button in order to zoom in and zoom out like this. Or you can click on this option right here on the bottom right side and choose the zoom out option or the zoom in option in order to see more and more details of your design. You can use also the scroll up and down in order to go up and down like this. And you can use the hand tool on the right side in order to navigate between different pages and go through your design. So now here, as you can see, if you want to select the page right here, this page right here, you can simply click on select button or the select option or the select tool from the right side. Then you want to go and click on the page that you want to modify. Here you can click on generate on top left side. You can regenerate this page. You can add a variation. You can simply click on variations and choose refine or explore or reimagine. Let's say that I want to add another text font. So I'm going to click on text font right here and I'm going to type change the font, for example, of the word appointments. Then I'm going to click on generate variations and I'll see how it works. And here, as you can see, it gave me two examples of how it changed the appointments font. As you can see, you can choose between them. You can even click on this icon right here in order to redesign the whole colors. Let's say I'm gonna use the Sahara, for example. Can click on use in prompt and drag it into your prompt and use this style in order to have another result. You can even select the selection tool and go to any one of these pages and click on modify, then click on edit. And here you can see you can edit any one of these elements. Let's say that you want to move this option right here. You can delete it or edit it with AI. Let's say that I want to drag it to the left a little bit. So I'm going to click on edit with AI. Then I'm going to type drag the profile icon a little bit to the left. And after it finishes, it tells you that element edited. So now you can do the modifications by clicking on the page and click on modify, click on edit as I mentioned. You can delete an element or edit it with the AI. So let's say that I will type here another text or another word. Let's say that I will type approved instead of confirmed, for example. Or you can click on Control plus Z in order to bring everything back to the normal. Here, when you click on preview, you can see how it looks on the mobile, for example, or the tablet. It will look like so, or the desktop. It will look like so. I'm gonna bring everything back. Then I'm gonna click on view code. It will show exactly how is the code used for the interface or the user interface to be generated. You can copy this code, modify it if you are a developer, and do anything that you want. And you can even delete the project or reload it, download it, or copy it to Figma. You can go and click on show QR code and scan the QR code in order to preview the website or the application on your phone. And if you want to add some animations to your page, just click on the page, then click on generate, then click on animate. And here is the animated one. I'm gonna click on it, then click on preview, then click on new tab, and it will open it in a new tab. You can see how the animations work. Here, as you can see, there is a zoom in animation when you hover over the button or when you click on it, because it is a mobile application. So when you click on it, it will add some animation to the button. And the good thing is that when you click on these three lines on top left side, it will show you the settings and the delete project section. And let's say that you want to download the project, click on download project or duplicate it, or you can even share it with your other developers of your team. Down below here, it shows you all the actions that you have taken for each page. You can share it by clicking on share on the top right side and click on enable sharing and remixing. Copy the link and give it to another developer if you want to share it with another developer, or you can simply click on export, select any one of these pages, then click on export, and you can export it to AI Studio, to Figma, to MCP, Netlify, Lovable, Bolt, .zip, Code to Clipboard, or Project Brief, and continue working on any one of these platforms. So here choose the format. And if you want to undo or redo something, you can simply click on these two buttons, the undo button or Control plus Z, or the redo button, Control Shift Z. You can even add the project to favorites. You can click on edit on the right side right here, this pencil icon, and edit each element as you want, or even delete it, as you can see. So I'm gonna click on Control plus Z in order to get it back. And I think this is all what you need to know about Google Stitch for this tutorial. I hope it was useful to you all, guys, and if you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.